how to see who poked you on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see who poked you on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see who poked you on Facebook, you can just open the Facebook application here. Normally what happens is that you're actually going to get notified if someone pokes you. But then if you want to see a list of people, you can tap the search icon from the top right and then just type in pokes and then just search for it. At the top you'll find the pokes option. Now over here, if someone has poked you, you will be able to see a list of those pokes at the top. Now in my case, nobody has poked me. From here on, you can also actually poke anybody that you like over here. If you want though, you can just tap the poke option next to it and then you should be able to poke anybody, and it will also give you a list of people who has poked you right at the very top. This way you will be able to see who poked you on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.